Hello, welcome back to Favorites with Laura. Thank you for stopping by and returning. I'm going to show you how to get your price adjustments off of Temu step-by-step guide. The first window you're going to see here is actually the main home screen when you see all the items and the semi-sale. And it's going to be down in the middle there where it says you're going to click on that, and that's going to bring you into this next screen. And this next screen is where you're going to see your orders, reviews, credits back, things like that. And you're getting a little glimpse into what I got going on, how much I have in my cart, because I don't have a favorites wish list, so enough about that. Anyway, you're going to click on your orders. So you're going to go into your orders from that other screen, and then you scroll down. I go to each order I have that goes back as far as 30 days. After that, they won't give you any more adjustments. You click on each order individually. You can see I've already received a couple price adjustments for this particular order. It tells you 1 cent there, 30 cents there, 2 cents. And if you see the words request price adjustment, then you know you have a price adjustment. You're going to click on request the refund adjustment, and then it's going to have you, here it is playing again because I thought it went too fast, so I want you to be able to see this clearly. And when you scroll down there, price adjustment refund issued, you can see where I've had them before. Now, request a price adjustment, click on that. Then you're going to click the big orange bar at the bottom there where it says request price adjustment. And from there, you get to select your Temu credit to your account. And then you're going to press submit. And when you press submit, you're going to come out of that window and into, you can see I've already it popped up a message because I have notifications on for Temu. Tells me how much was issued. You can expect it within 5 minutes. Usually it's immediate, like you just saw it gave me immediate. And it tells me what item. Now, every item within your order, you can get a price adjustment at some time. It just depends on that store that supplies that product. And then you're going to want to check this daily and go back, like I said, all your orders throughout the last 30 days. And here's just another review. I went into a second order I had, and voila, because I haven't done it today, so I'm going through my orders as I did this recording. And it said price adjustment, so I did that. And you can see, you're going to see a couple of items that are coming up on my future haul, so stay tuned. But I got another credit there. I clicked that. I'm going to click the orange bar to request it. It's a 12-cent credit. These are actually pretty good credits. Typically it's 1 penny. I've had it as large as $5. It just depends on the item that you're ordering and that store that supplies it. And there's multiple stores, as you know, that supply these products. So one store might have a price adjustment while the other store does not. Just remember, different suppliers have different price points, and so at any time you can get an adjustment. Once you have it and submitted it, it will disappear from this menu here, and then you'll go and look every day. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you like this video, hit like, share it if you want. I know a lot of people have been asking me how to do this, so please share it. And then if you haven't subscribed yet, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell, and you're going to see future hauls and information come out. Thank you again. Have a great day.